If you're looking for a pineapple cake that doesn't crumble, that has a texture like a cheesecake, then watch this video. This is for you. For the dry ingredients, you will need about a pound of all-purpose flour, which is roughly 400 grams, half a pound of sugar, crystal white sugar, about 200 grams, add in about a teaspoon of salt. Mix all those ingredients together. Set that aside and let's get ready for the wet ingredients. Start by cracking your eggs. For this recipe you will need 4 eggs. One stick of butter melted in the microwave and left to cool to room temperature. A whole can of diced pineapple, drained of juice. You don't want to add the juice so the cake doesn't become too sweet. Obviously you can use a fresh pineapple. The same step, cut it into cubes and add it in. Using an immersion blender, break down the pineapple until it dissolves completely. Don't use the immersion blender for a long time. You could whisk up the eggs. Use it slowly in pulse format to break the pineapple only. Now it's time to bring in the dry ingredient and the wet ingredient and mix them up together. Now you can stop here and pour your batter into the mold and bake your cake. However, we have an extra step that will transform this cake and make it better by adding evaporated milk, which is about 3/4 of a cup, 170 milliliters. What will the evaporated milk do? It will add richness and make our cake taste more like cheesecake. Once you incorporate the evaporated milk, it's time to pour in the batter into the mold. The cake mold that I chose is this one. Spray the cake mold with some non-stick spray. Then pour in your batter. Give it time to level up. Heat up your oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius, and bake that cake for 35 to 40 minutes. In the end, it should look like this. Wait until the cake has cooled down. Have your serving plate ready and then get it out of the mold. Here's where the non-stick spray is handy. This is the result. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. Notice how it's not cake and has crumbling. It's more like a solid piece of cake that resembles a cheesecake. I hope that you try it out and like it, and let us know how it goes in the comments. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends.